welcome back. Face Mask Club is here, so I'm going to sit down and unbox this with you. But before we dive in, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair, and let's dive into this box. I absolutely love sheet masks, so the Face Mask Club is my most favourite ever beauty subscription. If you're unfamiliar with the Face Mask Club, they are a monthly sheet mask subscription. There's lots of K&J beauty in here. It's absolutely fabulous. I've only come across one or two masks that I've not liked, but apart from that, I absolutely love them. I will put all the details on how much I pay down below, but you can purchase either a 5 mask or a 7 mask one-off box from the Face Mask Club if you don't want to, commit to a full subscription, but you just want to try it out. So go and have a look. It's absolutely great. Now let's dive in. This is how your box comes. It's letterbox friendly, so you don't have to make sure you're in. My address is on the back here. Lovely sticker, and these are always very well presented, as you can see. I love these little notes. They are so cute. And mine this month says, "Hi Amy, we have a fab selection of masks for you this month," which is really cute. So let's dive in. Apologise, there's going to be loads of noise. You always get kind of like little glittery bits and bobs in there as well. And at Easter we had Easter eggs, which is so cute. So I'm interested to see, oh, we got silver stars in the bottom, which is very sweet. And I kind of collect these. I pop them in a little bag, because you never know, they might come in handy. Sorry, they're kind of going everywhere. I'm just going to count through these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Shake off the stars and give you a sneaky peek at what we got. They look very interesting. There is an app on, I think it's the iPhone App Store. I'm not sure what it would be for Android, but you can get sort of like a Google Translate app because of a lot of these masks on the back. There's not a lot of English on them, so download the app and just scan the back of your masks, and then you can kind of translate. But there is the instructions are sort of in English. You do get faces, and it tells you how long to leave them on for. And with a sheet mask, as always, you should go in, cleanse your skin first. I always apply my toner after that, and then in with a sheet mask. There's enough of me waffling. So let's dive into the first one. And it's from Beauty Idea Diary. And it's very hard to read. It's a moisturising black mask. I've had one of these before, but it was lavender. I've had the lavender one twice. It is one of my favourite masks that I've received from these. There's not a lot of English on the back here, so I am going to have to use my Google Translate app on it. But with this one, I would just leave it on probably for 15-20 minutes. But it's a shame I can't read that. I think it says like it's Puyenka. So that's going to be really interesting to try. So there's mask number 1. Mask number 2 is from Esfolio, and it's the Collagen Essence Mask, and it says it's enriched with hydrolyzed collagen and various nutritive components to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. Look at this packaging. I love little piggies. They're so cute. And on the back here we've got our faces, so it will show you, kind of how to use it, how long for, which is cool. I do like that. It's very kind of pinky and girly. It's nice. Number 3 is from Leaders Mediu, and it's the Amino Moisture Mask, and it's moisturising and amino acids, and it has the amino acid complex with lysine, ceramide and photosynthesine, I think that is. I do apologise, my pronunciation is appalling. I normally mispronounce words, stumble over words, mess everything up. Welcome to our club. I love this colour blue. Blue is my favourite colour, so it's a really nice looking mask there. And we have got our faces on the back with your ingredients. That's really cool. I'm quite looking forward to trying this one. Mask number 4, I think is from the brand Peri Pera. and it's a Juice Time lemon mask, and it's a brightening mask. Now I always thought kind of like lemons on the face wasn't good because it can be quite acidic, but I'm willing to give this a go. There's probably just a slight amount of lemons in there. And on the back we've got our faces there. It's a really nice packaging. I do like it. They do kind of go above and beyond with their packaging. The next mask is from the brand Farmstay, and it's a charcoal mask, and it's the Visible Difference mask. And I can't really read too much because there's a sticker over it. But it says it contains charcoal, keeps the skin and maintains, whatever the sticker's hiding, and helps cleanse and keep the skin clear. And there we go, as you can see there's like a sticker over it. And there's this one. I do love a charcoal mask. They are so good for just getting a deep cleanse in, putting out impurities. Clay masks do the same thing. There's the back. We've got our little tiny faces up here. Is there much English on here? It just says the Farmstay Visible Different Mask Sheet Pack Charcoal. A mineral ingredient that contains charcoal, helps skin maintain healthy, and helps cleanse and keep skin clear by absorbing skin waste. And that's cool. Oh, it says you can dip this one in warm water. Yeah, definitely, if you get this one, definitely read the back here. There's quite a lot of English on the bottom. But it says there's a nice tip. Keep it in the fridge. Yeah, no, that's quite cool. I like Farmstay masks as well. This sort of packaging, I think, are the best ones. Oh, the next one is another one from Farmstay, and it's the Real Avocado Essence Mask, and it says it's for nutrition and calming. I like that. I do like avocado masks. I've tried one before. I don't think I've tried a Farmstay one. And they stuck a sticker over the back of it as well. Just as it helps moisturise and gloss dried skin. So that's cool. That's a really good, if you're dry, you want to go for something like this, which I think is quite cool. And the last one, this looks so cute. It's from JM Solution Mama, and it's a Pureness Aqua Mask, and it's a multi-hyaluronic acid, builds up moisturising barrier and makes your skin with full of moisture. Look at that. It's so cute. We're like a little bubby. And on the back here, you haven't really got faces, but there are some very clear guidelines there, ingredients. This packaging is really thick. It's very durable. There's a lot of English on the back here. It's full of moisture essence for your skin, maintains a hydrated barrier. But unfortunately, quite a lot of it is too small, so I can't see it, and I don't have my glasses on. So that was mask number 7. There are some fabulous masks this month. I do love them. I always plough through shed loads of masks a month. I don't only have the face mask subscription, but I will normally pop them in. If I'm doing a beauty haul, I will add a few masks in there. If I'm ordering my shopping from Asda, I will just see what they've got and just keep popping masks in there too. Thank you for joining me today. It's been a bit of a strange week, I'm afraid. This I do apologise. I should have said this at the beginning of the video. I didn't upload last Monday because I had sort of like a small procedure and scan done on my shoulder. So I was in quite a lot of pain. So I'm sorry I didn't upload, and I'm having trouble doing my hair. So you're going to be stuck with Amy with scary hair for a while. But like I said, thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care.